Tevdan Comedy. The man video body of Fred.
Yeah, I take that.
You live on the area?
Yeah, me live around the area. I walk.
You know, so you have a YouTube page now, yes, okay, I do a collaboration.
Collaboration. Alright, me test you. How much subscribers you have?
What's your subscriber? 3.
3. Let's see about it.
Circle me, eh?
Wait, taxi then, you know. Bumbuklan. Tevdan that. Hold on. In Canada. You have to take taxi to Blood Clan. I know that taxi just hard to get out of the brother. You never see to get one taxi. Brother, taxi. Bumba, everybody. Tevdan take taxi.
The actor boy? No, sir. This a pick up on Instagram.
Tevdan. I Tevdan on every show. I can't up there. Tevdan, Jesus Christ, taxi. Hey. You don't give me nothing. Taxi, man. Hey, taxi. Yeah, man. You have a job. Yeah. Wait. You know me? So you just come down by the room. You sure you don't know me? Alright. Brother, what you do? Brother, me never want to tell you, brother, but my biggest fans in the dog, you go. Yo, what you know? Just so hold on, man, me just want one picture, dog. Me never want to say nothing, brother, but picture. One picture. Yeah, one. Tevdan, yeah? Tevdan for me. One more picture. Hold on, one more picture. We give you one picture. No, hold on, you have to take more, brother. Yeah, brother. Yeah. Can't get the number, I'm sending them. No, brother, I can't give me number. I'm not give me. No, I know you come for selfie, I know you come for me. No. Brother, I don't look for you on Snapchat, yeah?
Remember when we just do this, the whole of them they laugh. Never say we struggle, them only see the flaws. No, they kill them out and a breath them a